Fix Tony's Lawn episode 2. It's time for carbon and some micronutrients. Hello YouTube. Welcome to episode 2 of Fix Tony's Lawn. If you guys remember in episode 1, we aerated and we put down a starter fertilizer. So now we're taking it up a notch. We really seriously want to improve the soil health. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be doing today. Kind of like what I did with my lawn, I did with Alex's lawn. It's time for the carbon, guys. So today we're gonna be putting down CarbonPro G, so the granular, CarbonPro L, the liquid, and we're also gonna hit it with an application of the Brandt Supreme Green. So a little iron, liquid carbon, granular carbon. I mean, it's getting the full stack. And Tony's a little camera shy guy, so we've got him moved off a little bit. But you can say hi to the fans, Tony.
Hi, YouTube.
Yep, see, so there you go. And then of course, Alex is out here to help me out. Let's get going, guys. This should be good. Hey YouTube, as I was doing the edit, I realized I didn't tell you guys the application rates we were using. So here they are really quick. For the Brandt Supreme Green, we put that down at 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. For the CarbonPro L, the liquid product, that went down at 2 ounces per 1,000 square feet. And then finally, for the granular product, the CarbonPro G, that went down at 10 pounds per 1,000 square feet. So 10 pounds per 1,000 for the granular, 2 ounces per 1,000 for the liquid, and then finally 6 ounces per 1,000 for the Brandt Supreme Green. Guys, there's a few focus issues in this video and I apologize for that. I will do better in the future. Let's get back to the action. So guys, one thing I didn't give you guys is an update. If you guys saw the first video compared to now, you'll notice the grass does have a little bit more green going on, guys. So the starter fert, I think, is starting to kick in. We got some rain, it's doing its thing. Alex is up there rinsing out the backpack sprayer. We just applied the product to the lawn. Overall, confidence is high, guys. Confidence is very high. I think this lawn is gonna be all right. I'm not sure we're gonna be able to do it with that shaded area. Some of you guys suggested using monkey grass or putting down some kind of, some kind of like ground cover. And that's what we might end up doing because honestly, the shade in that area is not just from the one tree you guys saw, it's also from the trees across the street too. So we can't really do anything yet about those. So might have to surround that area. We'll see though, not giving up yet. Well, there you go, guys. CarbonPro L, CarbonPro G, and the Brandt Supreme Green have been applied to the lawn. Now it's just give it time and let nature do its thing. Guys, if you're enjoying this content, please be sure to let us know. Please like, share, comment, and if you're not a subscriber yet, consider subscribing. You know, we're slowly converting Tony. Don't tell him yet, but he's slowly turning into a lawn care geek. You can see him over there edging. This is a guy that hates mowing, and he's out there putting some work in. So again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate it. We will see you guys next time. Have an amazing day.